Hi everyone. So first of all, most welcome on my YouTube channel. Today I have very talented girl. Her name is Miss Rinki Yadav. So now today I will talk to Miss Rinki Yadav. How did she start to speaking English, because she is a very talented girl in Adroit Academy, in my academy. So now Rinki Yadav, at first most welcome on my YouTube channel. So first of all, just tell me about yourself to us.
First of all, thank you so much, sir, for giving golden chance. And as you know that, myself Rinki Yadav, and I am from Bhadohi, and I am student of BA first year, as well as I am learning spoken English. And there are 6 members in my family, and my father name is Mithilesh Kumar Yadav, and he is a businessman, and my mother name is Pramila Devi. She is a domestic doctor, and I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I am positive thinker and hard worker, and I want to be doctor in my future. That's all about me, sir.
Okay, so now Miss Rinki Yadav, actually you are learning spoken English in Adroit Academy. Just first I'd like to know that why do you learn English in Adroit Academy?
Because English is very important for everyone's life. Already everyone's know, and that's why I'm learning spoken English. Because when I study my college, and when I study in 10th class, and my teacher teach me English, and he speak to all English, and then after I have decided that I want to be learn speaking English. That's why I join speaking class.
Okay, so now Miss Rinki, just actually you spent here only 2 months, and even then just you are trying to speak well English. Okay, so now Miss Rinki Yadav, actually tell me that what do you want to be in your life?
So I want to be doctor in my life.
You want to be doctor?
Yes,
sir. So now Rinki, can you tell me which type of doctor do you want to be? It means that in which area do you want to become doctor?
So I want to be doctor, and like yes, I want to be help poor person. And because I have seen many person that doctor always believe only rich person. A doctor always release only who belong to only rich person, and doctor never belong to poor person, because he always help only rich person. When any poor person go in hospital and he have no money, and then he say I want to need for treatment, then after doctor say I can't do your treatment without money. Before paying money, then after I will treatment you, and then after all Maris are very sad, and that's why I want to be doctor. I want to help poor person without money. That's all, sir.
Okay, so now Rinki, actually my question was that why, in which area, means you want to be a dentalist, you want to be surgeon, or you want to be, in which area, means which type of doctor do you want to be? My question was that, but you just told us why do you want to be doctor. That's good thing. Actually your thought is very good, and just you want to treatment the poor person who has not money. Yes, that's good idea, and that's good thinking you have. But my question is that Miss Rinki, actually which type of doctor do you want to be?
I want to be surgeon doctor.
Surgeon doctor, that's good. So now Rinki Yadav, just tell me that actually you learn English in Adroit Academy. Now tell me that about Adroit Academy.
I think Adroit Academy is a very best academy in Bhadohi city, because there is a verse of only Adroit Academy, and Adroit Academy is better to other academy, and in Adroit Academy all students are very intelligent, and everyone speak each other to English. And I also speak English in Adroit Academy, and my teacher always suggest everyone, if you want to be learn speaking English, before you have to learn, before you have to speak English, because English is not depend your right. If English is a depend only your mind, that's why you always speak English.
Okay, so now Rinki, you are just trying well, because you are only you are new student. I know you are spent here only 2 months. You are new student here, but even then just you are trying very well English speaking. Yes. So now Miss Rinki Yadav, just can you tell me that actually everybody says that English is very important, and like this learn English, like this learn English, like that learn English, means everyone just give us different idea. So now tell me that, I think just can you suggest to everyone which type of they can improve their English?
Sir, actually everyone know already English is a very important. Before when I started joining speaking class, then I can't speak in front of public English. And when I started English, then after I think English is, I know already English is a very important. But when I joined speaking class, and when my teacher called me for speak in front of public, then after I can't speak in front of public and I feel very hesitation. And after completed 2 months, I can't speak English with the confidence, and I also speak English in front of you, sir.
Okay, so now actually just you got good, fantastic, you have fantastic confidence, Miss Rinki Yadav. Yeah, I know you are just making mistakes, you are just just getting error, I know, but actually your confidence is so high. So now tell me that actually Rinki, just tell me that from where just we can gain our knowledge, we can get our confidence. You have fantastic confidence. So now can you tell me how can we gain confidence, how can enhance our confidence, how can increase our confidence, and how can make better our confidence? Can you tell me about it?
Yes, sir. If you want to become a fluent speaker, before you have to hard work, because without hard work we can't do anything. If you want to become a fluent speaker, before you have to use to all thing in English, and before you have to think all thing English, and you have to write all thing in English. Because if you want to become a speaker, then you have to all thing in English. Without English you can't do anything.
Okay, so now Rinki, just actually I am so happy because because you know very well that you are speaking very well English, and you are speaking wrong or right, you are not thinking about that, and this is good thing. If you want to learn English, if you want to be a speaker of English, so please guys, don't focus on your mistakes, just always trying to speak. And because you know very well that there is no medicine, there is no any way, there is no any mantras to speak English, only one way to speak English, that is speaking. Yes guys, I am saying to all of you, please follow this rule. And you are just seeing right now I have Rinki, and she is speaking very well English. I know she is getting, she is making so many mistakes, I know, but she is able to speak very confident. So that is a good point. And I know right now she spent here only 2 months, and I think and after 6 months she will be very good speaker of Adroit Academy. And now Rinki, just tell me that actually tell me about your father. What is the name of your father?
My father name is Mithilesh Kumar Yadav, and he is a businessman.
He is a businessman. Now tell me, Miss Rinki, which type of business does your father do?
Actually, sir, my father do like as a farmer, and he have a tractor and blower and many cows. Yes. And he do his work, etc.
Okay, so actually your father is a farmer, I think. You said that my father is a businessman, because of that your father has, Bolero and Jeep and etc. etc. That's why just you said that my father is a businessman. Okay, that's good. He is means businessman and as well as a farmer. Yes? Okay. So now Rinki, just tell me that actually right now you are pursuing graduation. Yes? So just tell me that after completing graduation, what will you do?
After completing my graduation, I will take my admission Jeevandeep Institute of Paramedical Science.
Oh, actually you want to take the admission in Jeevandeep Institute. Okay, that's good. Fantastic point actually. Now, Miss Rinki, just can you tell me that Miss Rinki Yadav, just I would like to ask that who suggested you to come in Adroit Academy and learn English here?
Sir, when I am studying 12th class, and
you are studying?
Yes, sir. When I study in 12th class, and my friends suggest me you want to be learn.
Suggested you?
Yes, sir. My friends suggest me you want to be learn speaking English. Then after I say yes, I want to learn speak, but that time my exam is near, and this time my exam is running, and that's why I said her I can't join speaking class, and after completed my examination I will join speaking class. Then after I join speaking class, sir.
Okay. Now Miss Rinki Yadav, you are speaking very fantastic, and the way of speaking is very nice. Just you have to focus on your grammar. Yes. only just you are making little bit mistake in your grammar, so only focus that, and may God bless you. You must be good speaker of Adroit Academy and as well as Vadohi. Thank you so much for coming here.
Thank you so much, sir.